Agree with me that there is making money with your smartphone with social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok with other blog channels that you do post on. I know it's a win now. It's an addition. It's something that is positive. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you it's not about your views. It's not about your subscribers. What is it all about? Now, which platform are you really based on? You might be on Facebook, you might be on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. Most of these platforms do have a correlation, do have at least a link. They consider the metrics, the algorithm almost considers something same things. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the most important things that you should be mindful of. If you're a creator, if you've been existing and you're wondering, why is it that my posts are not getting money? Or you are just a beginner because you've been hearing people, I'm very happy that now many people are jumping into content creation. Remember, in content creation, there is no competition. It is in your mind that you're putting it in that there is competition, but there is no competition, and overtaking is allowed. This is what I always tell my people. So good morning, welcome to this mind-blowing video. This is a video that is going to give you tips. This is a disclaimer. I'm not here to tell you that whatever you do here, whatever I bring for you here is right. No, I'm giving you tips, of which these tips are less than 10% correct. So get them, go and research, do your findings. If you find they are okay for you, continue do the doables. And if you find you can't manage, do what you feel is good. To my special engagers, you guys, I love you so much. This is your lady, the lady that says, I cannot hold this smartphone and beg for bread. I cannot be here. I see I'm consuming with the phone. I'm scrolling. No, I cannot do that. What I can easily do, I can use it for daily productivity as far as income is concerned. So in today's video, I'm going to concentrate on Facebook. And this Facebook, you can borrow a leaf and take it to where? Take it to your YouTube, take it to TikTok, take it to Instagram. At least there's something that is there. Did you know that most people are jumping in thinking that your views, your subscribers is money? No. That one is clout. That one is attention. What is money itself? I would love you to start noticing, to start seeing your analytics, to start seeing your insights. You will really see where money comes from. So where does money come from? I'm going to break it down for you. Money comes from majorly like 4 to 5 things on Facebook. And when we are talking about Facebook, now I'm going to be highlighting Facebook, should I call it page? Facebook page. Yes, I know some of you have Facebook profile. It's okay, you can go with that. But let's now move with Facebook. We move with Facebook page. So when you already monetize, or if you want to monetize, there are things that you need to consider. If you go to your insights, you check how you're doing. There are things you need to consider and why your payments are low or are high. There's what they call earning potential. Your earning potential matters a lot. You might be having 1,000 views. You might be having 1 million, but you have 0. And this is what has killed the people's income. And they've given up and thrown a towel and decided to say, no, this thing doesn't work. Now, when we are talking about earning potential, you need to see it is excellent. And how will it be excellent? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 5 things, factors that will make your earning high. I always tell you that I might be having 100 views and my earning power is high, is excellent, to the extent that I'm earning more than you who have 1,000 views. What matters? One, these are really factors to consider. How does the posting or how does your uploading influence your earnings? One, you should consider content originality. Content originality, the moment it is very good, the moment it is excellent, you are going to find your score is high. When we're talking about the square to be high, it's when we're going to go into earning rate. Earning rate can be $1, can be $2, can be $3 per 1,000 views. Now suppose you have 0.01 dollar per 1,000 views. Of course, you'll find it, you'll not get money. There are posts that I'm still studying, you find we have even like 5,000 views, but you have a big zero, not like this. So what does it require you to do? It requires you that your content should be at least original. How unique your content is, and whether it is produced by same person or production company that posts this, it matters for you. How do you improve your content originality? People on Facebook tend to prefer content that is unique, but the bigger audience tend to consider content that is viral. So if you consider virality, you will miss out money. At least try to create content that is original and at the same time it has high quality. Even if the engagement is low, but at least you find your score as far as earning rate is high. The moment it is high, and every post, you can determine every post score. Then we got audience engagement. Audience engagement should be very good. When we are talking about audience engagement, we talk about interactions, we talk about reactions, we talk about comments, we talk about saving, how many people have saved your content. So the total interaction makes your total engagement. And when the total engagement is good, the score will be very good. And this one can depend on a post basis, a video basis, a reel basis. Another one is global reach. When we are talking about global reach, you will find that your earning breakdown by country. Like now on Facebook, you'll find people from Rwanda, people from UK, people from US. What exactly? How does your post go? The countries where your audience is concentrated matters. If you find your audience is concentrated in UK, in USA, your amount of money will be high. And how do you improve it? Advertise costs vary by country. So reaching a global audience could help you earn more. Now, if you find you're in the USA and others, but if you find you're in Uganda, you're in Kenya, you're in Nigeria, you're in UAE alone, it affects it. Then we go to other profile factors. Profile factors, we can talk about trust. Trust should be excellent, should be good. Your contribution matters. Your consistent share engaging content that follows the rules, it matters. You need to play by rules, by community rules, community monetization, all these ones. So as you think about making money, you need to think about how to make sure that your earning potential is high. It's not about views. It's not about how many followers, subscribers you have. Yes, that is other factors that will help you. But the major ones, you can have millions of views with zero money. So let me tell you, learning more about your earning potential is very important. That's why every day I get my posts, I'll check one by one, because it is not overall. This post might be very original, another post is not original, it's not authentic, it is not reaching far, so it will affect that. So from today, as we said, the month of March, we are into learning exactly the basics from the beginner's side. Hope this video will help you. Don't concentrating on like for like, follow for follow, but also concentrate on these factors. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye-bye.